Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video, doing another back test, and we're going to be starting the week of back testing every day. And right now we're on Monday, January 27th, 2020. Currently no news Monday, so we'll see how it goes. It looks like we are sitting at all-time highs still. Just check it out, see how she goes. Last back testing session wasn't too bad. We took 2 losses, a few wins. A lot of them were just TP1 stop out at break even. But I want to see how this goes for long term. Currently sitting at 83.33% win rate, 7% profit for January. So pretty good, pretty solid so far. I will not complain at all. Anyways, really hoping this video does not get flagged because I am listening to some lo-fi beats in the back. It does say they're non-copyright, so we'll check it out. Anyways, let's jump into this. So first things first, we have just sold right off. We do have a change of state in delivery now on the daily. So the daily, I wouldn't necessarily say the daily is bearish, but the daily is looking bearish on the higher time frame. Got a daily fair value gap we might want to reach down to right here, previous day high. We also have new week opening gap. I'm gonna assume that's new week opening gap. We got previous, sorry, that's not previous day high, that's the current candle. This is an Ifvgs right here, so could be bullish, wanting to trade to an Ifvgs. And then we got previous day high / all-time high here. All right, drop down to a 4-hour time frame, and we're just gonna look. We are bearish. We're very bearish. I would almost maybe want to see us trade to this 4-hour fair value gap, and then potentially trade higher. We do have SMT at this lower, or no, we don't. My apologies. Daily fair value gap I'd like to see traded to, and then potentially trade to Ifvgs. That was 4-hour OB. Let's drop down to a 1-hour time frame. I'm gonna pull up our indicator for our sessions. Taking out obviously London low, Asia low. We got London high. And then we got Asia high, which has already been swept. And that is an SMT there, actually. Yeah, so we do have an SMT at London high. Which is, yeah, is an SMT. So London high did take that out. I'll mark that out. Could have been a clean long from there. Currently sitting, I want to see us probably trade down, yeah, to that daily fair value gap. And then just go from there, see what happens. Potentially, actually, hold on. We might have an SMT at that daily fair value gap. I should definitely check that out first. Oh, wow. Okay, never mind. Okay, so yeah, we do. You are in this daily fair value gap, which is tiny. I don't know. Personally, I'd like to see us trade to it. I did not mean to do that. Do have SMT at it. I might have just screwed myself though. Yeah, because like we're taking out, we just took out this low here, which is a mad SMT, which is involved in that daily fair value gap. It's not a significant low, but still coming down to a 1 minute. Let's see if I missed anything. It's not looking like I did. Nope, it all looks, yeah, didn't miss anything, so I'll just keep waiting, see what happens. Honestly, I don't know, because I'd like to see us trade higher, but nothing's looking super duper clean in my opinion, other than these longs from here. But yet again, just being so close to that daily fair value gap is making me think otherwise. I have SMT here now too. Change state there. Definitely bullish, but not showing any signs to come back higher. Well, change of state there, tapping back into there, but there's no fair value gaps here too. I don't know. I don't like it. We have this turtle soup. We're just not really doing much here. Swept this low. Have not taken that low. The only move that you could have taken would have been like a fair value gap in here, but I just didn't have an entry there. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to be trading this. No SMT there. No, I took that, so that's no entry. Might be a no trade this day. It is, I mean, it is a no news Monday, so not much to expect here. Yeah, I'm not going to trade that. I don't know. Unless you guys maybe saw an opportunity to take here. I don't know. I personally didn't see much other than maybe. Yeah, I didn't see much. We're going to go the next day. So no trade on Monday. Jump to Tuesday, which is. There should be News Tuesday. Yeah, so there is News Tuesday. Obviously start out on our daily time frame and go from there. I think the draw is this new week opening gap. We have left the daily fair value gap open still. See if I'm missing anything. No. Okay, so I'm not missing much. We like have that SMT at that daily fair value gap. We do have this Ifvgs, so that's why I'm thinking all price likes to trade to Ifvgs typically. And then obviously we have the daily highs. I don't need to mark those out. Coming down here, we have a change of state and delivery on the 4 hour. On the, I don't know if that's a fair value gap or what. I'm assuming that would be, but we inverse this fair value gap. Come down to the 1 hour. We have a 1 hour Ifvg here. We have a London low here. London low. Asia low is deep. And then we have this high, obviously. At the current moment we're in, I'd like to see us trade lower and then trade higher. Might not get that. We might get that. I don't think we need to trade lower. Like, there's no reason for us to trade lower, especially here. Like, we tapped into OTE of the range, so that looks really clean for that long. If we could trade lower on this into this fair value gap, I would take a short or a long, but only one way to find out. Do we have any external SMTs here? No, but an external liquidity sweep. This looks super clean. I'm going to try it. How early are we? Not even in macro time yet, but it looks fairly clean. Tap into the 1 hour. Inverse fair value gap, trading to Ifvgs. Equilibrium of the range. We're got equal highs above us. Do we have any SMT at the low here? No. Nope. Well, we got an SMT here. That counts. I mean, it does, but we got an SMT here too. It's up to you on what you want to call it, but it just gives me more confidence. SMT here. So we got an SMT here, which is OTE of that range. We're tapping into a 1 hour fair value gap, leaving behind equal highs. Internal SMT with sweeping out this low here. This looks clean to me, in my opinion. This looks really clean. Where's London low? I think London low was far down. Yeah, that's the only worry I have, is that we could be. But if we just never took this high out, which is making me think that it wants to be ran. I guess we did. You know what? We're going to try it anyways. Let's give it a go. I want to see how well this works, because that's like an instant reaction. And if not, we might want to trade lower. It's like a beautiful trade, if we could get it. It just looks really nice. Place order. It's AMD as well. So we got this accumulation, manipulation, distribution into a 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, so we have external SMT, external liquidity sweep, analog above. Inverse 4 hour, Ifvg 4 hour. And we do have this 4 hour up here, but that'll be at the top. So equal highs above. At inversed, we're in a 1 hour fair value gap. And then if we go down to the, oh wow, okay, that's the monthly time frame. If we go down to the 1 minute time frame, we can see here we have SMT at the lows. We have a nice SMT with a 3 minute inverse fair value gap. So this is, I like it. I like it. Internal SMT, 1 minute, 3 minute Ifvg, nice reaction. Go to the checklist. We got external SMT. It's internal. We got higher time frame to PD array. I'll have to check for that. We do have equal highs. I'll have to check for that again, actually. Do we have any unfilled? I don't think we do. No. There's no unfilled, but we are at all-time highs. So no unfilled at all-time high. It is a little early, but looks clean. If fails, we'll look for another entry lower in range, but we did trade below EQ. Are you guys ready? Who's ready? Who is ready to rumble? Will we get our V-shaped recovery? Wow. TP1 hit. TP1 hit. Again, almost gets stopped out. That's insane. Ooh. I don't like the way. There we go. Boom. Wow. Wow. Alright. All TPs hit. That is scary. I've had a few trades do this to me already now. It's come right back down. Is that an SMT there? Did it save me? It's not an SMT too, so that could have easily hit me. Hit my stop. That's crazy. Wow. Beautiful trade. That's a little sketch. Was there a 4-minute? Oh dear, yeah, there was a 4-minute. Okay, so that 4-minute is why. So it would have been more like you would have taken this. I mean, you still would have hit full TP anyways, pretty much. Yeah, you still would have hit full TP anyways. I actually didn't know that. Wow. So that's why we almost got stopped out, was because I didn't notice this. This is a big part of Ifvgs, is you can get smacked when this happens. But I had really high conviction that we were going to take that high out. Would have worked regardless. Would have been in our favor. Would have been better to trade. Would have been better to take the 4-minute, obviously. There's actually, that's funny. Would have been better to take this 5-minute. So, note to self, check other time frames. I'm going to actually mark that into the journal here. Take a photo of the 5-minute. Almost got stopped out on 3-minute because there was a 5-minute I didn't see. Pay attention to 1 to 5-minute before entering trade. Anyways, beautiful trade. Let's move to the next day. All right, so we're out Wednesday, January 29th. So we got Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Oh, okay, perfect. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's nice. That'll be perfect. It'll end us at the week, and we'll go from there. So we traded to new week opening gap, which is awesome. We got previous day low down here. Previous day high has been taken. And PDL has not been taken. We are traded into there, which is essentially like a fair value gap. We are, as much as I hate to say we're bearish, we are kind of bearish still because of this change of state and delivery. This is now a daily OB. So we'll see how we react here, but I need to look. I want to look at the 4 hour. 4 hours bullish. 4 hours very bullish. 4 hour fair value gap. Yeah, 4 hours very bullish. We do have a daily order block, which is in line with this 4 hour fair value gap, so we could actually see like maybe trade up to there and then trade lower. But we'll play this safe. We do have change state delivery. We also are pushing above this high, so we will have a 4 hour OB. Coming down to a 1 hour time frame, I think that the daily order block will be the next draw in liquidity, as we are respecting this daily fair value gap. We've traded down. This is like a, I guess this is a order block in a sense. This is a daily order or hourly order block. We are respecting this though, which is big. See if there's any SMT here. No SMT that I can notice right away. Mark out the Asia, London low. If we could trade lower to London low and then snag along to the daily order block, which will be in line with this fair value gap, that would be really clean. With the hourly, and then also in line accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Haha, that'd be really clean. Let's see what we do. Okay. So far, I don't like what I'm seeing. Theoretically, this is SMT here, actually. Very tiny, but SMT. I want to see a low be swept or something. Like a London low or Asia low be swept. There we go. Okay. That's clean. Probably was a trade here. I didn't even notice that. SMT at the highs here. Let's check it out. See if there's a trade. SMT at the high. SMT right here. Internal SMT. 2-minute fair value gap. 2-minute fair value gap. Could have entered on that, but that's really steep. So would have probably entered on like this candle here. 5-minute. Boom. That would have been really nice, but I don't think that's ideal. Dang. But this is what I wanted to see, so let's see if we can get along. Or we just, holy shit. Wow. Dang. Could have taken that long. That would have been beautiful. I need like a really strong SMT if I'm gonna take a long here like this. Okay, so swept out literally every low known to mankind here. Taking out that low, external SMT. It says AMD or AMT, I don't care. It's supposed to be an SMT. We're in this 4-hour fair value gap. And we do have a change of state to delivery at the downside, but I'm bullish. Swept out all the low. SMT at this low. If I can just get like a clean 1-minute inverse fair value gap, I'll take it. There's a tiny one right here. Do we have a 2-minute? 3-minute? 4-minute? 5-minute? We do have that 5-minute we're trading into. That's a big one, so we'll see. Boom. Okay. I know we have that big 5-minute, but I'm going to try this. This is really clean. I'm just going to put a stop there. 1-to-1 here. One to two here. Confluences, external SMT, 4-hour fair value gap. Traded down below to equilibrium. Yeah, traded lower, equilibrium. We've swept out London low. We've swept out Asia low. And then we have a internal SMT unfilled 15-minute fair value gap above. Internal SMT 1 minute, which is nice because this is actually also a 1-minute change of state delivery and a 1-minute fair value gap. So this is a 2020. Okay, yeah, I got full confidence in this trade. This trade's going to hit. Watch it hit. This is going to hit. This is going to hit. Okay, external SMT session liquidity sweep EQ of 4-hour range, 4-hour fair value gap, unfilled 15-minute above, and then 1-minute SMT, 1-minute Ifvg entry. Boom. I'm gonna rate that a 5-star. Actually, you know, we're gonna rate that 5-star. That's clean. I am 100% confident. 100% confident this is hitting. We have external SMT, internal SMT. Higher time frame PD array. Unfilled 15. I haven't even looked for that. Inverse fair value gap. Bada boom, bada bing, bada chang. Do we got the 630 wick? Do we got 630 wick too? Dude, is this 630 wick up here? 630 wick? Nah, 630 wick got taken out with S&T. Damn, otherwise that would have been really clean. Okay, watch this hit. Watch this hit. You ready? You ready? Watch this hit. It's going to at least hit 1-1. Okay, I can't tell you it's going to hit all, but it's at least going to hit 1-1. Ah, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, I didn't take profit. That sucks. I'm gonna take some profit. If it goes back up, I'll take a little bit more. Boom. Okay. I'll take like 5%. I don't know. Why not? Stop at break even. And there we go. Full TP hit. So choppy, but full TP hit. What did I say? What did I tell you? What did I tell you? That was a really nice trade. That was a little less because of all the profit I had to take, but whatever. It's still great. Still great. Remove drawings, and we'll move to the next day, which is Thursday. Okie dokie. Alrighty. Daily fair value gap. Daily fair value gap. Look at that. Daily fair value gap. We've taken out previous day low. We got previous day high. Previous day high to be taken. We got previous day high. We're tapping in, essentially. I don't know. Would that be an OB? I don't know. Essentially, it kind of would be an OB, but I just don't think so. I don't think so. Wouldn't be an OB, no. Still haven't tapped into this daily fair value gap, so this is still on the table. What's going on the 4 hour? 4 hour, we are in a 4 hour fair value gap, and I'm gonna mark this out. 4 hour fair value gap bottom. 4 hour fair value gap bottom. / OB. Which we are respecting. So I could see bullish price action being the move. As well, look at this. Look at this. Guess what? Unfilled 4 hour above. All-time highs. What's the range look like if we mark it from this range to this range here? Pretty clear. I'm close to OTE too. Go down to the hourly. Take a look at our session liquidity. It looks like AMD already. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We got London low all the way down here. We've taken out London high. So London low would be ideal to run down and take. Asia low has been taken. We got Asia high all the way up here. Asia high. Previous day low has got that. I don't know about you, but longs are looking real nice. Let's take a look for some SMT now. Okay, we got SMT at this low here. I mean, it wouldn't hurt to see this low be taken. It wouldn't hurt to see this be taken and then SMT there. But it also, we could see price just wanting to go up now because we just had a change of state and delivery on the hourly. So I could see us just wanting to go up higher now. Do you have any 15-minute fair value gaps? We don't. Wow, okay. I'll be waiting for like a 15-minute SMT maybe or something. I just want to see what market does first. See how it opens. Okay, we open way higher. We open really high, wow. Oh, and I missed that too, an hourly. Fair value gap. I want to see London low take to be taken, to be honest. Does kind of look like a market maker buy model here. Yeah, nothing has been significantly swept in my eyes quite yet. We just swept this high out, so we have S&T here now. I don't think that's a significant high though. Jump down to a 1 minute. We do have SMT and we are about to do this, but I just don't like this. You could take this, you could try this, but I don't like it personally. Oops. Yeah, we got a 2 minute, no 3 minute, no 4 minute, no 5 minute. We got this 2 minute here you could take. I just don't like it personally. I always want to see the reaction. So we didn't even get what we wanted. Like, I don't know. I don't like this. But I kind of want to take it because if it wins, but I don't like it. Let's see if it fits the code. Alright, so we are in a 1 hour fair value gap. It is the 6 a.m. candle. I might just wait. I might hold off. We have tapped the hourly order block. It is very early, so we've swept out this high here. We're in this 15-minute fair value gap now. We're in this 15-minute fair value gap, which is also SMT here. Come down to a 1 minute time frame. We have this internal SMT. This is the same model I'd take, dude. Fuck it, we're gonna try it. I think. We just don't have a change of state and delivery. I kinda wanna try it. Low risk. Let's see if it checks the boxes off. I'm gonna try it low risk, I think. It's macro time too, so I mean this just matters. All that matters is, are we gonna come up and take more highs out or not? You know what? I want a bit more structure. I don't like it. I just don't like this. I want a bit more structure. If it works, great. Ouch. I fit the description too. So clean. Oh well. See if we can get another like SMT or something and take another one. Bummer. That was a really nice trade. But I just didn't have full confidence. Should have just taken it, but that's how we learn, right? Bro. That's how you got it. Right at the top. Right at the top. Right here. Oh, this hurts. This really hurts to watch. Okay. But we're taking out all the sell side liquidity that I wanted to see. Like, I mean, London low is far still. And we have LRL, so the chances of us wanting to continue to the upside are very low. No SMTs. Now we got one. Okay, so hold on. Let me see this. Okay, so we're in this 4 hour fair value gap. SMT at the low. SMT at this low here. We are rejecting this 1 hour SMT at the high with the 15-minute. Yeah, that was so clean. Do have SMT here now as well, so I can mark that out. come down to the 5 minute, lots of unfilled 5 minutes. We do got an unfilled 15 right above as well. We got an unfilled 15. Are we in a higher time frame fair value gap though? Yeah, we're in a 4 hour. Okay. Just wanted to make sure. Let's check the 1 hour again quickly. In the 1 hour doesn't, it's delivering from that 1 hour. So we're in that 4 hour. No 15. We do have SMT at this low, which is nice. No London low takes yet. Huh. That's like my only concern, is that we might want to go for London low. We now have SMT at this low. I'm not seeing any fair value gaps to take though. This is 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, no 5 minute. Is this even a 4 minute? Yeah, technically that's a 4 minute. So check that out. Okay. That's pretty much inversed, eh? The tiny 4 minute. Still 4 minute. All fair value gaps matter. Okay. What's the RR on this though? Okay. It's 0.55. I guess we'll try it. I feel like we're about to turn a winning day into a losing day, because I could have taken that one lot win and just call it a shay. I want to make sure that 3 minute close though. Well, first of all, I want to make sure there's no 5 minute, and I want to make sure that 3 minute did close. So it did close up there. So we got the 4 minute closing above. Fuck it, we're just gonna try it. Got SMT at lows. SMT at lows. I need to double check this. So SMT at the lows. We've taken out some liquidity. Lick, sweep, sell off. 1 hour in a 4 hour fair value gap. In 4 hour fair value gap. We got 3 SMTs. 3 SMT total. $15-minute unfilled above. 15-minute unfilled above. 1 minute SMT. 4 minute inverse fair value gap entry. And confidence, I'm gonna put it not full, but I'm not even gonna do an A+ because of the risk to reward with that unfilled. I don't think it's A+, but it's still decent. I would still try it. And like, I'd almost move my stopped break even at that unfilled 15. We'll see though. Boom, DP 1 hit. Move stop to break even. And TP2 hit. Holy shit. Wow. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. That's what a week so far. All TPs hit. That's insane. What a month. Green, 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 green. Crazy. It's insane. This week was slow. We took 1 full TP and a few, but wow, that's insane. Wow. Did I leave any on the table? Go to next day open. Did I leave any on the table? A little bit, not much. So far, so good. Start on the daily. Do the same thing we do every day. It's literally rinse and repeat. Previous day low. Daily fair value gap. All-time high. Technically. Daily OB. 4 hour. Okay. And what are we in? 4 hour fair value gap. Beautiful. What's the range here? Not quite EQ. I want to see this EQ get hit. Trade lower. Tap EQ. 4 hour EQ. Tap EQ and then we can take a long. We also are in this, so we gotta be we gotta keep in mind that we have that fair value gap actually too. SMT at these lows. Okay. Rejecting this 4 hour fair value gap. Order block, trade up. That's the move that we actually caught, I think. It's a beautiful move. There is that unfilled 4 that we're in, so we just got to keep that in mind. Just got to be careful of that. I'm going to mark out sell side or buy side just to be safe there. Just so I know that we could reverse there. So I'll bring out our indicators now. I'm assuming this is going to be London low, but hello? No, we've already taken on London low. London high, and that is Asia high. And then, yeah, I don't really need this to trade any lower, or sorry, I mean trade any, like, it doesn't need to go. I don't need to see crazy liquidity be taken because we're in a higher time frame, but I would like to see like an internal liquidity and then another internal liquidity just to play it safe here. So go down to a 15 now. Where am I going with this right now? Okay, we'll go here. Kind of got accumulation, which would be nice accumulation, and then manipulate SMT at this low, and then trade higher or even trade down to there. No SMT, just would be nice to trade down to there regardless. Let's see how it opens though. First things first, let's take a look at news just to play it safe. Make sure this is the 30th. We got news at 8:30, which I think is right now, so we'll see. Okay, so we do have SMT at these lows. And I mean, by all means, we could just shoot up from here. By all means, we could, because we have taken out all session liquidity, so we don't need to take out any more. We don't need to. It would be nice, but we don't have to. Like right here. If this 1 minute inverses, I'm in. Perfect SMT. I don't know if this actually is this an SMT? These are equal lows. I need to like really check this. I did not sweep there, but it swept there. So this is an SMT. I know a lot of people are, it's not an SMT. My books, that's an SMT. Got this nice SMT. We have a 1 minute, beautiful 1 minute right here. Watch it just like keep her dumping. Watch it just keep dumping. And wow. Whoa. Okay, no more SMT, I'll tell you that one. I'll tell you that much, sonny boy. Got a small one here though. And we opened up a 2 minute with a very small SMT. Not much yet. Nothing quite yet. Okay, so we're just gonna keep dumping, I guess. That's fine. Still long. Just nothing really gonna change me being short. Sell off. Wow. Might just be wrong on the DOL, my friends. Look at that sell off. That's insane. Watch there be an SMT at this high here. Yeah. That was your move. SMT there. Boom. Just big sell off. But I mean, we obviously couldn't catch it. I need to look at the higher time frame now. See what we're sweeping. See what we're taking. What we're doing. Okay, so there's not much going off of. We're still respecting that. So I mean, longs are still, in my book, they're still in fair game. Especially with all this low resistant liquidity building up. And I mean, we do have now a beautiful SMT here. And we do it, yeah, beautiful SMT in the daily fair value gap, and we just took out so much sell side. And then the only one I think we could take is this 5 minute here. Let's see the 3 minutes with the 5 minute, yeah, so. And of course we don't get it. I don't think there's going to be a trade. The only trade you could have taken was like a continuation with the shorts. But, yeah. Could definitely be the reversal here. Unfortunately it is after hour, so I won't. Maybe I will try it. I don't know. It's after hour. I don't play around with after hour trades. We don't even have an SMT actually. I thought we did. No, we don't even have an SMT, so no trade. Could be it, but yeah, there you go. So no trade, just huge sell-off. So that's how we're gonna end the week here. Is 3 full take profit trades. No trade Monday, Tuesday full TP, Wednesday full TP, Thursday full TP, and Friday no trades. That was a great week. Absolutely beautiful. Let's take a look at the stats here before I cut the video. We're at 56,000, $6,000 profit, and analytics. At a 86.67% win rate with 1 break-even trades. Currently finishing off the month with 12%. What a month. Wow. So that's the end of January 2020. And we'll be jumping into February 2020 in the next day. And I guess tomorrow's video. So if you guys want to stay tuned for that, stay tuned. Hit the follow button, like this video if you want to see future videos like this. Leave a comment down below what you guys would like to see in the future, and I will provide whatever you guys really want, if it's obviously allowed on YouTube. So anyways, guys, if you guys like this, hit the thumbs up, like I said, subscribe. Code DDFX for 15% off FX replay. If you guys want to use that code, go for it. It'll give you some money off of your FX replay. And if you guys want to join my free Discord, link will be in the description. You guys can join that 100% free. Once I get enough members, I will be live trading in the Discord, 100% free. So if you guys want to join that, feel free. Anyways, happy holidays, and I'll see you guys in the next video.